Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, today's Friday, just before the race weekend. We are loading up everything to go to Taupo, and yep, the bike is ready to go. Everything is sorted. Nick helped us a lot. Hey, Nick is wearing the new shirt, the new team shirt. Nick, can you turn around a little bit? Yeah, Nick in the back. This guy looks legit. Yeah, so Phoenix is good. I fixed the last bits on the back fairing here, glued them together, nice and tight now. Everything is good to go. Found the bolt, got it nice and tight here. No playing around. We've got the set of wets. So this is the front and this is the rear. Thanks to our friend Reece, he helped us a lot. He's lending us. Reece is lending us the wets for the weekend. It's pretty cool. Thanks Nick a lot.
Feel good.
Our support crew slash mechanic slash friend. So he's helping us a lot throughout this Kawasaki Winter Series. And then yeah, welcome to the family. Good morning guys, we are here on our race day. Yesterday was a really good day. We've had Mad Dog setting up our suspension, changing the geometry on the bike. Was really good, really productive. We have Nick here. We have Nick here working now. We've just signed up and we are changing the tires. We're gonna put some wets on because, well, as you guys can see, it's raining a lot. Not a lot, but it's raining, so the track will be wet. We've got our coffee on the process here. Nick is just taking the front axle. So he's oh, dude, I have to cut the scene because it's showing up. So he's Nick is removing the front wheel here, and he's gonna put the wets on. Yeah, this guy. Cool. Finished getting the new tires fitted. Emma is on the process of making coffee. I did boil the water, by the way. Yeah. Cool guys, wish us luck. Today's gonna be a really hard day. It's gonna be wet all day, so yeah, let's go. Hey guys, yeah, we've qualified. We came 5th overall and 2nd in our category. So, and the weather is getting a bit worse, and we might expect some rains from the first race onwards. And today, we've got our friend here, Mixen, Hayden from Mixen representing.
How's it going?
Yeah, good. How do you feel? Are you liking the environment? And
Yeah, no, it's good to be out for a race day. It's wet though, so just gotta be safe.
yeah, now we're gonna try to be safe out there. And we have the crew here: Emma, Shane, Nick. Yeah, so let's see how the day goes, but we are looking pretty comfortable. The bike is really well set up. It's sliding here and there, but well, it's wet. We can't do anything about it. Yeah, I will keep you guys posted as we go. Cheers. Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, that weekend was a mission and a half. We've had a lot of ups and downs. Bike Saturday was a complete mess. Setups, adjustment, everything was way off, but look what we've got. There you go. So we've got our 2nd place overall on the championship. So what happened was we won the first round. On the 2nd round we had a big crash, so the bike was all over the place. We finished 5th, I guess. I can't remember it now by head, but I will confirm. And the 3rd round we won again. So which did bring us to an overall 3 points under the 1st place. So we've lost the 1st place by 3 points, which is good. It's the result that I personally was happy with, given all the circumstance and all. We've had a huge help from Mad Dog Racing. Mad Dog is a guy that was helping our friend Reece, the guy that lent us the wets. And Mad Dog was there just casually to help Reece set up his bike, and he saw us working through like our suspension is struggling to turn, struggling to brake, bottoming down the front forks all the time. And he was like, mate, would you mind if I give you a hand today so we get your bike set up, because it is too risky for you to race with this bike. Your suspension is way off, it's not behaving as it should, so let's tweak a few things just to see. So we did the first outing, amazing, amazing, amazing. Not ready yet, but way better than before. Second outing, way better, progressing a lot, improving a lot. And he was like, cool, now give me the feedback that you've got. Let's go through the suspension setup, let's fine tune this. So the communication was really easy. I was telling him what the bike was doing, how the bike was behaving, and he was tweaking the bike. So we've got a nice setup on Saturday. So Sunday came, first race, good, second race, better, third race, amazing. Given that our strategy for the third round was just to finish the races and keep the second place, to guarantee the second spot that we've already had for the series. So that was amazing. Sweet, guys. So today is the first weekend after Kawasaki Winter Series, and I've decided to go through Phoenix. I had to change the tires from the wets to dries and give the wets back to Reece, and work a little bit on Ghost just to see where we're at and start doing a few things here and there. So we've already changed the tires on Phoenix, so we've got the front dry, the rear dry. We've bleeded the brakes, so the brakes are really good now, and we've got Ghost here. So for Ghost, I forgot to record before, but we've removed the OEM slip-on to get rid of this guy. So we've got the Cat Elite, and I'm gonna go through that next weekend. Also, we don't have the master cylinder yet. Good news, we are getting a Brembo master cylinder with braided lines all over the bike. So yeah, stay tuned. Next weekend we're gonna go full on the bike. Hopefully the master cylinder will arrive, the braided lines will arrive, and then we're gonna start doing something with it. Sweet, guys, thanks a lot for watching. That's a short video, but we're gonna go through a few things as the week goes by.